Today we present to you a Lancia Zagato Spider. This is 1600 version. This car was completely restored. It was taken apart completely. We have lots of pictures with it where you can see all the stages of the restoration process. And the car is very, very rare, being a Zagato Spider, and it's in superb condition. Restoration costs were over 35,000 euros, and we have lots of pictures of it. And the car looks everywhere as you see it here. It is nice throughout. Interior was completely redone. Also in the boot, it's very, very, very nice. It has new top, new soft top in the rear. It has very, very nice bore bed wheels. Interior was completely made new. It suits very nice with the brown interior in two-tone with a metallic silver on the outside. It's a very nice car, runs and drives like new, and you even have a possibility to take two people in the back, so it's a 4-seat car. We'll go now and see if we can show you under the hood, so that you can see the engine bay. This also looks extremely nice. As you can see, the car is really in top condition and ready for its new owner. If you want to have one of the nicest examples on the market, this is your car. We have it for sale. If you want to see more pictures and explanation, you can go to our website, deleonclassiccars.nl. Thank you for watching.